If your goal this year is to climb Aconcagua either alone or with friends, and you still don't know what to take into account to achieve it, don't worry. Thinking of people like you, I've prepared this information that will serve as roadmap or checklist so you know everything you might need to get to the top to the highest mountain in the American continent. Also, at the end of this video, I'll show you how this information will also help you save money. Let's start by talking about which road you intend to take. The most popular roads are the normal road that begins at the Orcones Ravine and Road 360 that enters through Punta de Vacas Valley. The most noticeable difference is that the normal road you go up and go down the same part, while on the Road 360 you have the possibility of entering through Punta de Vacas and exiting through Orcones Ravine, which will allow you to learn more about the park. Once you arrive in Mendoza, you will have already processed the permit and medical insurance. You will also have the opportunity to rent the equipment you need if it's necessary. Regarding transportation from Mendoza to Penitentes, you have a journey of almost 4 hours, and you can take a bus to leave from Mendoza terminal, or you can hire a private transfer. Inside the park, the loads are moved with mules and porters. The mules carry the load from Penitentes to the base camps, and if I can advise you anything, is to bring only what is necessary. That way you will need fewer mules. From the base camp to the high altitude camps, you can hire a porter who will leave your load at the camp from when you arrive. In Aconcagua, the porters do not carry your things by your side while you walk. They will only leave it for you at the altitude camp you need. Guides. Although at the time of recording this video, it's not mandatory to be with a guide inside the park, but I will always recommend it. Therefore, you should consider if you join an open expedition where you can have a guide for the group. Normally, one guide is handled for every 4 clients, but each company can handle it differently. You also have the possibility of hiring a private guide on your own and already organizing everything with him. Now let's see logistics at the base camp. To sleep, you can have the option of bringing and setting up your own tent, or once in the camp renting a tent or sleeping in a bunk bed or shared cabins. Feeding. You will have to think about whether you cook all the food you bought in Mendoza by yourself at the base camp, or if you buy your food from a company, taking into account that a dish can cost between $15 and $30, depending on where you go. In the high altitude camp, you have to be more independent and you will not be able to buy food. Only the food you brought and can cook. If you are on a commercial expedition, you usually already have almost everything we've seen included, and you should not worry about so many details. Now let's see how you can save money knowing this, but first let me tell you that if it's the first time you see one of my videos, I recommend you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more videos of this type that will help you and a lot at the moment to prepare to climb Aconcagua. Well, knowing this, the way you can save money is by early booking, just like you do with plane tickets. For the entry permit, you can check if there's a pre-sale this year, which makes the price much cheaper. Those who already follow me know the days to be able to buy them. Also, if you already know what type of logistics you may need, it's a good idea to book in advance, since many companies, when a season is over, maintain prices from the previous year or have discounts before the start of the season that you can take advantage of. Once the season begins, prices go up, and sometimes we are in the camp and we might need something that we did not expect to happen, and it is normal. But it's not the same to get to buy something more expensive due to misinformation. If you still don't know which companies suit you according to your style, send me a message on Instagram. I will help you to choose the one I think is the best for you. You can find my account in the description of this video. And if you found this information useful, don't leave without leaving me a like so I can help more people. I'm Julio, and continue with this video that I'm sure will also help you a lot.